What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of FBOMB. So I'm actually going to be working on the bike today. It's raining right now. Bummer, but got something in from MZS Tuning. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, beautiful. Sick. And those are gonna look clean on there. That one's over there, but that's gonna look sick. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Okay, so I'm gonna put those on, and then also got some bar ends. I'm rocking one bar end mirror, so I'm actually just gonna put one bar in right there just to complete the look. But I'm gonna be doing that right now. Nothing much else is going on, just normal crap. I gotta clean this garage too. It's about that time. I hope everyone else is good. Which way am I going? Left. Okay. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. It's Black Friday right now. Thinking about going to go do some shopping pretty soon. I don't know. Kind of waiting, debating about it. Waiting for my lady to get back from work. Unfortunately, she had to work in this. I just dropped my new clutch lever. That's a good test of the product. Not even scratched. Dumbass. Alright. What's going on here? Put up the hardware right here. Don't lose it. I need a flathead screwdriver to get that part out. Good luck. I told my brother what I wanted for my birthday. Wanted him to come in here and clean my garage. And he asked me, so what time did you want us to do it? I didn't want to do it. I wasn't volunteering myself. That's why it's a birthday present. You do it. There's a flathead. Random flathead laying on the ground. There we go. Oh, that was a lot easier than it probably should have been. So now we're going to put this one in there. Beautiful. All right. I know the brake one is the easy one. It's the other side that's a pain in the ass. Get that screwdriver again. Oh, it's already looking better. Is it going? Come on. What's the deal, man? Going in there. All right. Let's make sure it fits in there real quick. What the hell? It's stuck. There we go. Okay, I was about to say, it don't fit. It fits. Just gotta move it around a little bit to get it in there. Oh, it's in there more. Now we twist it. There it goes. Alright, now we put this nut back on there. Yeah, I said nut. Now it's not tightened or anything, but that just looks pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's starting to come down now. Upside down so I can never know if I'm tightening it or not. Very nice. Make sure the front brake's still. Yep, it works. Oh, what did I drop? Oh, that's my bar ends. I heard them fall. Where'd they go? Oh, God, this sucks. This is embarrassing. I just heard him fall. I've been doing this all week. Oh my God, it fell right there. Idiot. Stay. Now this one's gonna be the challenging one, so let me move the bike over a little bit. Try to make sure the bike don't get wet. It's raining.
Hell yeah.
Check it out.
Oh yeah. That's tight.
Alright. That's off. Go. All right. Now, let's put this one on and dry this up a little bit. So now, the fun part. Go. Let's go back in there. Now the fun begins, trying to get this bolt back on there. One centimeter at a time. Maybe I can use the socket wrench. Let me see. 10 millimeter. First try. Very nice. I like you. Pull that back out, get it tightened again. Keeps doing that. What is that? Got all these little droppies off my bike. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. That guy Ken. I know that your whole thing is Batman and your whole that guy Ken logo is a Batman, but I am actually going to be getting a gold Batman symbol on the front of my bike. Sorry ahead of time. I apologize, but I just can't. I can't do it no more. I got the black and gold, and that gold Batman symbol on the front is gonna look badass. And sorry if it seems like I'm copying your style, not trying to, but I'm gonna do it. Speaking of that guy Ken, I miss that guy so much. I haven't seen him in such a while. I saw him on bike night the other night, but I haven't rode with him in a while. Looking forward to riding with him again once the rain clears. And I can't wait to ride this bike again. It's probably going to be a while before I get back out. God damn it. We'll find something to do. We'll clean her up. Probably do a coolant change or even a coolant top off, something like that. We'll find something to do. Whew. Well, that concludes this fun winter episode of FBOMB. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope to hear from you guys pretty soon. Let me know how you guys are doing. What's the riding conditions in your area? But till next time, thank you for joining me on this episode of FBOMB. Peace.